Okay, put a spot through here. This is exciting. This is an incredible spot. I'm out here on the Yume X11. I'm heading over to Baker's Creek Preserve. This spot was so nice when I did the off-road range test. My batteries died and I was like, you know what? I gotta do it twice. I gotta go out because it was such a nice ride and the trails are packed down smooth clay. It was awesome. So here we are back again. This downhill section of trail over here at Baker's Creek Preserve is so fun. I had to come back here and share the experience with you guys so you can see just how capable the X11 is off-road. This is red clay packed down nice and smooth, mostly downhill courses over here. But we'll be hitting off most of these trails around here, trying to cross over 100 miles on this thing. And guys, if you find this episode fun, exciting, whatever, go ahead and smash that like button and subscribe for me, because I got plenty of episodes planned, plenty more coming your way. And yeah, let's go riding. Alright, let's go back to riding. Looks like we've only done a little over a mile, right under 2 miles back here. And it was busy out here today. There's a lot of people out here. We are going for Baker's Creek Preserve. Some nice trails. Here we go. How's it going, guys?
How you doing?
Pretty good.
What'd you think of this? That's awesome.
Yeah, that's pretty gnarly. Thanks, buddy. Oh, very busy today. There's so many people out here today. Nice. And I'm not gonna do the jumps. See how nice this is? How nice these trails are? Well, in comparison, much for other people coming through. How's it going, buddy? Look at that trail's wet. Yep. These guys have their ride, especially if they're not under any electric assist. I appreciate that from those guys. I don't have the needs for it no more. Oof, so tight. See what I mean when I say it's like nice back here? It is nice. This is what off-roading one of these is like. Oh yeah. Alright, from here, we're on to Floyd Fox. Well, that's what we're looking for anyway. What's down here? Alright. That's Flowy Fox. That is where we are going. Is that people on the trail? Or is it? I don't know. I can come up and do one of these downhill courses. It'd be badass. Anyway, so we've put at least over 2 miles on it now since we're sitting at 89 miles. So I got 65 volts, so we're gonna come. Let's go, buddy.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
I have another one behind me.
Watch out for the other rider. Coming this way, which ruins my run through here. There they are. How you doing? Rocks. Slow you right down. Put that tail around like that. Whoa. A little smoother. Can't get too fast in the spots I can't see around the corners. So they could be there. That's not good. They got more right to the trail than I did. They're on a bike. Because that's what these are for, not this. But then you got knee issues where the constant pedaling of a bike just wouldn't work. Sorry, I'm talking too much. This trail is awesome, and it takes a lot of concentration. Slow down just a bit. Why? Trail system over here. In comparison to what you get back there. That was an absolutely incredible ride down Flowy Clocks out here at the Baker's Creek Preserve. Like I said, once you get over here to Baker's Creek, these trails get nice, and this thing eats these trails up. It does amazing out here. It's almost like having a little mini bike out here, except shh, it's whisper quiet. You hear more on a couple of these trails. It says, where's the way out here? Oh, there we are. We're right here. We just came all down this joint. 1.2 miles of downhill nutso shit. But it was so much fun. Alright, we've only put a little over 3 miles on this thing. I tell you, it feels like we've done so much more than 3 miles on here because we've been scooting quite a bit. We are... No, we're not going to use those other speeds. This speed's plenty fast enough. We are going to continue on, back on down this way, and take it a little slower. Maybe, I don't know. Going slow is not really my thing. Alright, so, again, we're on dual motors, average, gear 1. Go have some fun. We'll go right up this. I don't think we did it last time. Oh, yeah, excited. Alright, I've done had my fun going fast. I'm just going to enjoy these trails because I love these trails. I've been riding these trails for many, many years. That's not good. Hit that thing hard. Hopefully it didn't do any damage. So I hit it with that axle nut. That said, I've already had my fun out here today with the speed. So I just want to glide through and enjoy it. Enjoy the sights. It is nice. It's a pretty day. I'm not really trying to go too fast. It's just kind of flowy. Hey guys. All right. Out here to the main parking lot. Let's go see what's down this way. This looks new. I cannot believe this ride is going so good, except for hitting that rock back there. Hitting that rock kind of sucked. Oh yeah, oh yeah. And done this place up. It's nice. All kinds of stuff here. Little pump track. Big pump track. Let's go up, check out the pump track, see if anybody's doing some real sick tricks or anything. What's up, brother? Check out these kids for a minute. See if any of them's got some skills. I ain't getting in that thing. That's crazy. That's wild. It's pretty cool looking track though. That's cool. Alright. used to go this way. Redbud crust. That's what this says it is. So I'm going. Put some off-road miles on this thing today. As long as they trails like this, I don't mind. This is nice. Might be, like I said, it feels like it's taking me up, not around Redbud Crest, but I will find which way that is. I will. Because I feel like this is definitely taking us back up the mountain. Well, I don't know if you call it a mountain. What's going on, guys? It's pretty good. Back up here to the top. Very nice. Alright. Alright guys, looks like my batteries are on their way out the door yet again. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap up this episode. And I hope you had fun on this ride with me through Baker's Creek Preserve. Really nice trails. And this scooter does amazing back here on these trails. Absolutely amazing. And guys, please don't forget to like and subscribe to this episode. Let's grow this channel. Let's go on more adventures together. Until next time, thank you.